Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Indira Sajwala. Once again, I'm on the platform of Facebook to meet you, to tell you, to guide you regarding the dangers of COVID. You are very much aware the COVID infection is very infectious and is fierce, is more virulent. It affects heart and the lung. First 5 days you will have fever, cold, cough, body aches, or during that period you can announce in your. Now, before announcing, I want to inform you that there is one school of thought that in this period of pandemic, when the incidences are on rise, so many cases of COVID are taking place. Treat them as COVID infection. No need to go to the hospital for the test. Why? Because you are crowding the hospital, causing infection, spreading the infection, and creating more chaos. So stay at home with the help of some your personal doctor. You can take care of yourself at home. Stay at home. Isolate yourself in the room and tell your family, do not panic. These few days infection has come in and it will go away also. Only isolation is required, good nutrition is required, exercise is required. Do not become crazy. Keep yourself happy and engaged. Use internet, use telephone, mobile and telephone to talk to people. Instead of going on voice call, make it a video call so you can remove your fears. People are with you. You can talk with them eye to eye. So keep yourself engaged. Do not think you are alone. There are many people who are suffering. So, though you are alone, but you are not lonely. Keep in touch with various people. Once again, keep in touch. You will not have any depression or you will not go crazy. You will not require any mental help. So this is my request. Now staying at home, what you are going to do? Do the exercises. Do breathing exercises. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation with little pause. Do it 3-4 times. So breathing can be from the chest and abdomen. And the chest, upper chest, middle chest and lower part of the chest, which is along with the diaphragm and abdomen. When your chest is expanding, you are inhaling. Deep inhalation will cause expansion of the chest by 2-3 centimeters. In the case of abdominal exercises, abdominal breathing, during inhalation, your abdominal wall will protrude because of air. And when you exhale it out, abdominal wall will touch your back. So try doing deep breathing exercise. And actually, the abdominal breathing is very, very good to keep your sinuses also clean. It's called fire breathing, breathing of the fire. But here we are doing to utilize the lower part of the chest, lower part of the lungs, so that whole chest, whole lung can participate in breathing and exchange of the gases. So this is one thing. Then the second thing is avoid emotional liabilities. Keep busy. Keep busy. You are not alone. You are not lonely. You are alone, but you are not the only one. As I told you, keep yourself engaged. Then, with the breathing exercises, you are increasing the energy, power. You are gaining, sorry, you are stimulating the pineal body, which is right here. Stimulating pineal body. You are stimulating your white matter. It helps you to understand better. It helps you to give you more immunity. It helps you in the communication, movements, and emotional support. So it's very important when you are breathing, you must concentrate here. Send vibrations here in between the eyebrows. The third part is I'm saying breathing exercise once again. Breathing exercises are very essential. Deep breath in and breathe out. In a state of now, the second part of breathing, I'm saying breath holding time. Check your breath holding. If you are able to hold your breath for 30, 40, 50 seconds, your lungs are very good. Your lungs are not affected. So it's very good sign. You can simultaneously do oxygen saturation test with the help of the meter, and that will be also good. So this is all the thing. Then after this you can still go, but after getting this vaccine, getting this infection, you are still carrying the risk of spreading the infection to others for some time. Wear the mask and follow all the restrictions as told before. We are still stressing on the use of the mask. That is the only tool which will curtail the infection rate. That is only the tool which will curtail pandemic. That is the only tool which will ultimately bring epidemic under control. So wear the mask, do the exercises, increase your energy level, increase your emotional level. and have good nutrition. Do not take alcohol, do not smoke, and take vaccination whenever with the help of with in consultation with doctors. One is to go for vaccination after doing the blood test. So thank you very much. Take care of your body. This body is very precious. Very precious. You realize only when you lose kith and kin. So best of luck. Thank you very much. Thank you.